Hi guys, Dev-initly Mario here. Today we want to clean up some messy points in our blueprints. So let us change to Unreal Engine. So one thing I have to adjust because I don't like it is the whole part about the BPI Electro server. So we make the new thing can interact. So we have no more use of this. Can interact, then interact. And this part could be placed into our function can interact. So here it's the best choice for us to make check power on. Okay. Here check has power and done. It has power, it can interact. Is that not power? It can't interact. So with this little change, we can be rid of that. We could put him here, connected, and connect. That we not need to connect. That we need to connect. Put the reroute here. Put another reroute there. And you see how much cleaner our blueprint is after this change. Put here, here, here. And we can make it a little bit more ranged here. So now we have clean out this, but lost no functionality about it. Let us look in this here. We can make here a reroute. So we can put them down and him down. And we could do this a little bit further and can bring him down. So now it's cleaner, but could we simplify it a little bit? Let us show. Crouch, uncrouch, timeline. No, this has to be this work speed. Okay, here we're done. We have simplified that and have now a better blueprint. Let us go here to this event graph and let us show what we can make here. Oh, I see. These two functions we got and these two functions are ever the same. What could we do with them? First, we can change much. Okay. Make it a little, looks a little bit cleaner. We can go this, this, this. This. And this. Not much, but a little bit cleaner. Here's the same. It's very important for you. You can quick understand your blueprints and why you does whatever you does. So hold it clean so you can understand every pins from there to there, and you have not a hard looking time. Event interact. Here make comment. Process interact. Date. So we have cleaned up a little bit of the mess here. Now let us go here and let us check we can make some messy things better. Yeah. Here we make the lights on. It's all fine. And interact is here. Check as power is here. Okay. We have oh, here. This we have to adjust to. And I will think about a better solution to handle this begin overlap and end overlap, so it's a little bit less messy. It's not good. We have to implement it every time. Maybe I will make a parent class, so we only change the things I need. So parent a parent interaction class. And we inherit ever from that, and these two functions will be ever in it. So we don't have to make it ever again. And not what we really want. Yeah. So now we have some naming issues to let us so we have here interactables, and both of that is a blueprint. So let us start all with BP FuseBox and BP light switch. We could make BP for blueprint, or we can make BPA for blueprint actor. It's our choice. So that's not all. We have here we do it BP door base. Here we have to do it right. There we have to do it false. In the interface we have to do it right with BPI in BPI. Why? Oh, I'm not really know. I tell why it's so important by the interfaces here. If you have a cast to an interface, now exactly this cast here is from an interface because it begins with BPI blueprint interface. So I know at this point, okay, here is a casting to an interface to centralize all actors to have this interface, so I can handle that. If it would only stand here interactables, so I not exactly know if it is interface or is this a blueprint. For our folder structure, it's obvious for us. We go into the folder interfaces, we have here interactables. For the folder structure, it could be enough to write it without BPI. But for the blueprint itself, you will not have any clue it is this normal blueprint, is it a blueprint interface, or whatever. So you have to write it in there so you can read it in your blueprint. I hope it's clear. So now after we clean some mess up, we produce. Let us short look. We have the same naming in every variable, so we don't mess up here. Here we mess up a little. Can interact, compile and save. And here we not mess anything up. Can interact, compile and save. And here can interact. Check has power. Here we have to clear some things up too. We going into the electrical, and we change that simply to has power. We don't need the word check for it. We really don't need it. So now we have has power, can interact, and we ever have our underscore between every word. So now I think we have be consistent in our naming and our using of that. Perfect. We can shortly look at some names. Injectable, electrical, door base, blueprint. Here we got some more underscore. Here we needed 2 because our naming convention is with underscore. And here 2. Game. And last but not least, on this we needed 2. So now we have fixed all issues we have with the naming convention, the blueprint structure, and the with these 2 things we did it good. So I hope you like this video. I hope you understand the importance of be clean in your blueprints, clean and consistent in your namings. And yes, see you in the next lesson. Think about the polling on my Patreon. If you're not, just give your vote now, until now. So I would like you to vote for a first investigation tool to get evidence of the ghost. So, see ya.